Welcome to our guide on creating a Discord server for gamers in 2025. With its soaring popularity and interactive features, Discord has become the go-to platform for gaming communities. Let's start with setting up your Discord account. Simply head over to discord.com, click sign up, and follow the prompts to create your new account. Now, it's time to create your server. Click on the plus icon on the left sidebar and select Create My Own. Choose whether it's for you or your community. When it comes to naming your server and choosing an icon, think about memorable branding that resonates with your gaming theme. Organizing your server with text and voice channels is crucial. Create separate channels for announcements, gameplay chats, and more to keep discussions clear and focused. Next, configure server roles and permissions. This helps manage how members interact within your server and ensures a positive environment. Enhance your server with bots. Look for bots like ME6 or Rhythm, which can help manage your community and provide fun interactive features. Establish clear server rules to create a welcoming community. Encourage positive interactions and set guidelines that all members can follow. Finally, promote your server. Share it on social media, gaming forums, and with your friends to grow your community. To wrap up, creating a Discord server is a simple yet impactful way to bring gamers together. Keep adapting as gaming trends evolve to maintain an engaging environment.